In this short video, we will guide you through the basic installation process of our contentACCESS software. First, unzip the package. Next, accept the terms of the EULA and click Next. Next, choose an installation mode that suits you most. Now we choose Basic. In the next step, enter the license key. All components covered by this license key will be displayed below. Click Next. In this dialog, set the folders where the log files, cache files, database information, etc. will be saved. Here you can configure your SSL certificate. You have three options. Load the certificate from a file, select it from the store, or, as we are doing now, create a self-signed certificate. We'll choose the third option and create it. Next, you can configure your system database. Both MSQL and Postgres are supported. The installation wizard will create the entire database, including the database administrator, the database user, and login credentials. Don't forget to save these login credentials somewhere secure. You can either copy them or save them as a CSV file. In the next step, the wizard will check all prerequisites, and then you can start the installation process. Voila, it's ready. You can now begin configuring the software.